Hi, it's Phil from Wild Food UK, and we're in Anglesey. Not very sunny at the moment. Out on the east coast of Anglesey, but we've got some interesting seashore plants, and one of which I'd like to show you here in just a second. That I think people will be quite interested in. Let's turn that around. This is a plant called Carpobrotus edulis. It's not a native plant. It comes from South Africa, also known as sour fig, pig face, ice plant. Grows in rocky places. It is invasive, so it's not something we want here, but it's something we can use. It's all growing along this cliffside here, up the bank. It's a succulent. It doesn't look like it should be here. And when we get up close, we can go, yes, we can see this big succulent leaves, thick, juicy leaves. And it's got beautiful purple, pinky purple flowers. That one's shut, but that certainly shows you how it can look. Bright purpley pink. And there are rumours that people eat the leaves, but I'm not totally convinced by that. They are used as a medicine, as an astringent and all sorts of things. So I'm not keen on the leaves particularly, but it's these fruit that we're interested in. So known as a sour fig. When we cut them open, we'll see that actually there's lots and lots of seeds inside, like a fig. Here, I've cut this one open. It does indeed look like a fig inside, lots of little seeds, and it tastes like a fig as well. The outside can be quite sour, quite bitter, so if you're going to eat them raw, well, I find they're fine just eating them raw, but some people will suggest you want to peel the outsides off. I think they're fine raw. However, my plan, having collected a bag full, and I've every intention of collecting a lot more, is to turn them into jam, which is what they use for back in where they come from, back in South Africa. A sour fig jam. We'll let you know how that one goes, and stick up a recipe once you've given it a try. So, here on, well, slightly rainy Anglesey, but a fantastic place to go foraging, and that's just one of the plants that we've found while we're here that we're going to eat. Okay. So this is Phil from Wild Food UK, and we'll see you later.